Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable YouTube BrandConnect to earn from sponsors, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable YouTube BrandConnect, start by logging into your YouTube account. Once logged in, navigate to the YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left side menu, locate and click on Monetization. Ensure your channel meets the eligibility requirements for monetization. Verify that you have over 4,000 public watch hours in the past 12 months. Next, click on the Products tab in the Monetization section. Look for the option for BrandConnect and click on it. Review the information provided about the program. If you agree with the terms, click on the Enroll button to join. Following enrollment, explore the tools available for managing sponsorships. Set up your profile to attract potential brand partners. Make sure to include key analytics like engagement rates and audience demographics. Create a media kit that showcases your channel's strengths. Reach out to agencies or brands directly if you're eager to start. Utilize BrandConnect's platform to match with suitable sponsors. Monitor your earnings and engagements through the analytics provided. Adjust your strategies based on the feedback and performance metrics you receive. Keep your audience engaged with quality content even during sponsorship campaigns. Stay updated with YouTube's policies to ensure compliance. With these steps, you are now ready to earn from sponsors through YouTube BrandConnect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.